This recipe is 2 servings, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 1/2 cup plain or vanilla yogurt, or you could just use milk if you don't have any yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of honey, and we're going to split that up, 4 slices of bread, 4 tablespoons of softened butter or margarine, and we're going to split that up as well. So in a shallow bowl, mix in the 2 beaten eggs, the 1/2 cup of yogurt or milk, whatever you have, put that right in there, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of the honey. And we're going to mix that up really well. Use a fork to mix this up. In a small mixing bowl, go ahead and mix 2 tablespoons of butter with 1 tablespoon of honey. Now, if you don't have honey, just go ahead and use whatever you've got. If you've got maple syrup, go ahead and use that. Okay, so here's the butter and the honey mixed really well. We're going to use this for serving later. Go ahead and melt your butter in your frying pan. That's 2 tablespoons of butter. I like to have it ready to go when the bread is ready. Now we're going to take our bread, use whatever kind of bread you have. I like thick bread. If you can get thicker bread, use it. Now quickly dip this in. Don't let it soak up too much. And then just put it right in there. There's 1. 2. 3. I'm going to have to come back for the 4th. So we're going to let this cook about 3 minutes per side over medium heat. Okay, that's just about 3 minutes. Let's check this. Oh, that's beautiful. Flip that over. Look at that. Okay, we're going to cook this other side for approximately 3 minutes. Okay, that's almost 3 minutes. Let's check the bottom. Oh, that's ready. Now all we're going to do is take our plate. We're going to plate it up. We're going to serve it with our honeyed butter. Okay, so we put the honeyed butter right on top of that. Look how delicious that looks. As an option, you can sprinkle some nuts on it. I went ahead and baked these walnuts at 350 for 5 minutes just to give them a little toasted flavor. You can eat it just like this, or go ahead and spread on some maple syrup. Wow, take a look at that. Cuts like butter. That is beautiful. It's quick, delicious, honeyed French toast. The kids are gonna love it, and so will you. Leave your comments below and be sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown.